Hi, good morning, people. How are you all? So, as you can see, I'm all set for my track. I have done my packing for the one day packing, you can say, so that I'll show you. From here, I'm still in Fata. From here, we will start our a ride to Sonprag, and then from there we'll park our car in taxi parking over there, and then after from there we will from Gaurikund we will start our track. So let me show you my packing, what all things I have carried for a one day track. So as you can see, this things this is poncho I have carried because you never know about the weather. This is the sunglasses, my wallet, my bags, rain cover. This is sleeves I have taken. This is few of the first aid kit I have carried. From the bigger pouch I have taken it in a small carry bag so that it is not that much heavy. Some essential medicines, relic spray, cotton bandage, and ORS. This many things I have taken with me. That's my sanitizer, tissue paper, and here is my bag. So there is one benefit for this bag is, so as you can see, this bag I have carried my charger, and this bag carries the this water bladder with this. So what I'll do is I will just refill this. This has 2 liter capacity, so I will refill it, put it over here, and there is a cabin over here for this pipe, and that I can carry over here on my bag strap here like that. So while tracking, if you are thirsty, you don't need to bring out the water bottle again and again. So this is the benefit for this bag. This you can get it from Decathlon, Simon's bag. And you can see very lightly I'm traveling, because the thing is you will have to track along with all this belongings, so it will be very difficult on a height if you are carrying much, if you are much loaded with your bag. So try to track as much as light possible, so that it will be easier for you only. So guys, along with the backpack, as you have already seen the things which I'm going to carry with me along in my track, and along with all these belongings, I'll also carry this small waistband, so that some toffees and sanitizer, and also you can put your mobile also over here, and few of the essential thing like your phone maybe or something like that you can keep it in this pouch and wear it on your waistband. So it is very easy to carry and very light as well. As I said that we are going to make our food on our own. So here you can see the breakfast is ready. We have taken this cooktop in the room, and we have made the hot chocolate already, and upma is just few minutes away to be in the bowl. So here how this is the packet. You can see this this is kind of ready to eat, just instant packet. So after this breakfast, we'll check out from this room and we'll start for Sonprag. I've started for Kedarnath track. We are on way to Sonprag now, and we will reach Sonprag, but as you can see in the video, I'll show you, there's some construction work is going on the road, so the road is blocked, I guess. So we need to check out for other ways if we found, otherwise we need to wait over here, and we're already late. So let's see how things gonna work, and accordingly we'll go to Sonprag. I have reached now at Gaurikund. You can see the view behind me. So that's Gaurikund, and from here we will start our track. There are few restaurants you can see in behind, so that from here if you want, you can take away some snacks or maybe some water bottles or juice or something, so that you can get from here, and then you have to start your track. I'll show you from where you need to start. So the guy is standing over there, that's my bag. Yeah, so from here, this is the first restaurant. You need to start your trek from here. That's way, and you need to go there. So yes, atmosphere is pretty cool. You can see the river Mandakini in its full form, and it's already 12 o'clock now. We took quite a lot time at e-pass registration and verification. There are total 3 counters where they are, first of all, we need to register ourselves for e-pass. Then they are verifying the same, and then they are doing some routine temperature check and all that tests. So after completing all this procedure, we have taken a local cab, which is taxi. They hardly charge around 30 rupees or something. And from Sonprayag to Gaurikund, we came in a local taxi, and now here we are at this Gaurikund. And from here, soon after purchasing maybe some juice or something, we have anyways carries tang and all with us. So after purchasing that, we will start our trek from here. Hello friends, so finally आप देख रहे हो, I am on my way. I have already covered 4.5 kilometers. As you can see the beautiful panoramic view. Tracking इतनी मुश्किल नहीं है. Roads आप देख सकते हो. The route is very, I mean, not that difficult. You can say it is moderate to difficult. But yes, अगर आपने ये ट्रैक पे आने से पहले रेगुलर वर्कआउट नहीं किया है, और मे बी इफ़ यू हैव नॉट डन द प्रॉपर रनिंग प्रैक्टिस, इन दैट केस मे बी बिट डिफिकल्ट टू यू, बट सो फार सो गुड. The waterfall, and it is very chilled water, and you can even drink this water. This is very pure. So you can see the route. Once I start a little bit of descending, from there there's a small bridge also. I'll show you that if you can. Yeah, there it is. That's a small, yeah, that's the bridge. And once I cross that bridge, after that you can see the track. It is all ascending, again descending. If you can see this railing, this is the track. This small railings you can see. So that is my way. It is very enjoying, very adventurous, very thrilling. My friends have already went on horses, so I am just like my solo treks, just like my earlier treks. I am on a solo trip. I feel like that only, but I am enjoying, that is 100% sure. And it is very pleasant atmosphere. You can see the clouds, fog, little bit. I feel like around 9 o'clock or somewhere around it will be raining. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock around. So I really wish before that I could reach on top so that I don't face that many problems. Though I am prepared, I have carried poncho, I have carried rain cheater, I have also carried my rain cover for my bag and mobile also. So everything will be covered. But still I really hope. मंजिल इतनी दूर है, रास्ता बहुत खूबसूरत है. You can see the beauty. दूर दूर तक ना आगे कोई है ना पीछे कोई है. Just चला जाता हूँ अपनी ही धुन में, just like that. You can see the waterfall. Wow, it is really mesmerizing view, and the sound of this river is also, you can see. Due to this sound I have to even speak much louder so that you guys can hear me.
जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह. मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला। तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला, तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा।
नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा।
सृष्टि के जन्म से भी
I have completed more than 8 kilometers. You can see the fog. It is still 7 kilometers more to go. Baba Ji ki jai. You can see this fog everywhere. Looking at this, you can definitely say केदारनाथ में अभी भी fog चल रहा है. It is so amazing atmosphere so far. It's still, I mean, not that cool. It's, I mean, normal you can say. And also it's not raining, thank God. So it is not that difficult so far. Let's see. You can see that some local people, they got tired. Few of them have still energy saved and keep on walking. There are some people, you can see the tiny people over there. There are a couple of restaurants, you can say eateries. Every 2-3 kilometers you will find such eateries, and also you will find toilet stands. Just you can have a look like that. So it is like good facility so far, and cleanliness is also very nice. I have seen couple of places where you know, only this horse dung you will find everywhere. Other than that, it is clean, you can say. There is no other dust or no other you mean I meant to say no other extra wrappers or something like that. It is very clean. हाँ, अब घोड़े इतने चलते हैं तो बेचारे पॉटी तो करेंगे. So that's it, guys. Let's see what time I'll reach. It is 6 kilometers more to go. It is, and right now it is 6:30. Let's say around 8:30 around I'll be completing this, hopefully. So you can see it is completely dark now. I wore my torch. They keep on saying देखभाल कर चले, सुरक्षित रहे. So yes, बड़ी दूर तक कोई दिख नहीं रहा है, ना आगे ना पीछे. So I am in the mountains, in the woods, and of course in the all alone. So it is a beautiful feeling. I'm enjoying my me time. At the same time, I'm also, you know, quite aware about all the risk in terms of, you know, there are some of the animals might come, and also there is no light, you can see over there. It's a base camp. There are few of the eateries and maybe some hotels. So those who are completely tired up and don't have, you know, energy and time both to complete the complete track by today, so such people can stay over there. And people like me, jiddi jungli, they can keep on walking. And बस अब तो बहुत ही कम रह गया है. Almost I have covered, I can say 75 to 80% I have covered already, because I have seen the board. It was 6 kilometers more to go, and which was around 500 meter back. I have seen this board. So now you can see it is all descending path. I have to be very much careful in this. And also you must be hearing the sound. That's water sound. So it is also in night time, it is even more scary. So just चला जाता हूँ भोले बाबा की धुन में. So finally, after reached the Kedarnath temple, and you can see the temple. Yes, there you go. So difficult road leads to the beautiful destination. So it clearly proved it. I have finally reached here, and now I'll look for a room or maybe a tent stay or something. See you tomorrow.
चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा
नमो नमो शंकर